Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed in Newark, and I would like to be the first to welcome you, where the local time is 10:46 a.m. I do ask that you please remain seated till we are completely parked at the gate, and then at that time the seatbelt sign will be turned on. After the seatbelt sign is turned off, just be careful when you're opening those overhead bins, as items do shift around during our flight. As you do leave the aircraft, please be sure to check around your seat, the overhead bins, and the floor area for any of the personal items that you brought on board this morning. We invite you to visit Delta.com for all of your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight and managing your SkyMiles account. On behalf of Delta and our SkyTeam and codeshare partners, especially Aeromexico, we'd like to thank you for flying with us. Our crew has certainly enjoyed having you on board today and look forward to serving you again soon. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of your day.